Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you saw, my device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. We have to open the settings first of all, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Then scroll down and localize the option Screen Timeout and tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short ones, and at the bottom the longest time option, which is 30 minutes, and under it we've got also never, which means that our device will never black out automatically. We will have to do it manually. So all you have to do is to tap on the option Black Use. I'll pick 10 minutes, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.